Welcome to in front of me Doogee S86 Pro, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on this device. So as can you see, when I'm swiped with my finger to the right side, the Google Fit is activated. If you want to turn off the switcher, you should hold for a while your device screen. After that, click here to the home settings. Here you'll see the show Google app switcher. It's activated. Now just to turn off the Google Fit, you should click only once here on the switcher. And now as can you see, when I swipe to the right and to the left, we can anymore activate the Google Fit. So if you want to turn it on again, go here back to the home settings and activate the switcher. And now you can see that the Google Discover is activated again. So that's it. As can you see, that's how it looks. So simple. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.